Okay, in the last video I was working this problem here, x to the 6 minus 4x squared plus 5 divided by x squared minus 3x plus 1. We're going to divide these two polynomials, and I ran out of time, so I'm just going to start all over here, and we're going to work through this problem. So let's go here. So the first thing we want to do, we're thinking of dividing this numerator into all these terms. Divides into all of them. Okay, so let's divide it into x to 6. That is, we need to figure out how to rewrite x to the 6 equals blank with a factor of x squared minus 3x plus 1. Okay, to get x to the 6 right off the bat, I multiply by x to the 4th. That gives me an additional negative 3x to the 5th, so I need to add 3x to the 5th, and I need to subtract x to the 4th. Again, multiply all that up and add it up, and you get x to the 6th. So over here, when the numerator divides into this piece, it cancels that factor there that we got, and we're left with just x to the 4th. Alright, and the rest of it stays up in the numerator. X to the 4th plus 3x to the 5th minus x to the 4th. And now what's still left up here, so I mean minus 4x squared plus 5, all divided by x squared minus 3x plus 1. Okay, now let's send that numerator into the highest power again, so this is going to be 3x to the 5th. Let's say 3x to the 5th equals blank times x squared minus 3x plus 1. Okay, so I need a 3, I need x, what, to the 3rd, and then I need to add 9x to the 4th, I need to subtract 3x cubed. Okay, so that's going to give me, and when I divide, this term is going to cancel, so that 3x cubed is going to pop out, x to the 4th plus 3x cubed plus, okay, so that whole thing was 3x to the 5th. That's gone, so I've got plus 9x to the 4th minus x to the 4th. So what's that going to give me? 8x to the 4th minus 3x cubed, and then minus 4x squared plus 5, all divided by x squared minus 3x plus 1. Okay? Now let's switch to this color. Let's go. So now I need 8x to the 4th. It was blank times x squared minus 3x plus 1. Okay, so I'm going to 8x squared. Okay, and so that's going to give me an additional what? So I need to do plus 24x cubed and minus 8x squared. Okay. We get x to the 4th plus 3x cubed plus that 8x squared is going to pop out, 8x squared plus, okay, so the 8x squared pops out. I got 24x to the cube minus 3x to the cube, 21x cubed. Alright, minus 8x squared and minus 4x squared is minus 12x squared plus 5, all divided by x squared minus 3x plus 1. Okay, so now I want to look at the 21x cubed. That's going to equal blank times x squared minus 3x plus 1. So I'm going to need 21x, right? So I need to add, what, 63x squared and subtract 21x. So down here we're going to get x to the 4th plus 3x cubed plus 8x squared, and the 21 is going to pop out because that's going to cancel, plus 21x. Alright, so there it is, plus, so 63x squared and minus 12x squared is what? 63, 53, 51x squared. 51x squared minus 21x plus 5 all divided by x squared minus 3x plus 1. Okay, we have to do it one more time here. Let's see, let's go back to that light blue there. So I've got 51x squared. 51x squared equals blank times x squared minus 3x plus 1. Okay, so 51x squared equals 51 times that, and then I'm going to add, what, 3 times 1 is 3, 153x and minus 51. And I believe that is going to give me my final answer. Let's see here. So let me go in red. This was a big problem. So I get x to the fourth plus 3x cubed plus 8x squared plus 21x, and now here this 51 is going to pop out, plus 51, and then plus on top now we're going to have 153 minus 21, so 153 minus 20 will be 133, minus 21 will be 132, 132x, and we got minus 51 and plus 5, so that, what's that going to be, minus 46 over x squared minus 3x plus 1. How much time we got? Okay, we got about 3 minutes. I think that's the answer, but I don't have a solution here. So let's get on Wolfram Alpha and make sure. Wolfram Alpha, and here. Okay, and this is a good way to check your answers. So what do we have? X to the 6 minus 4x squared plus 5. X to the 6 minus 4x squared plus 5 divided by x squared minus 3x plus 1. X squared minus 3x plus 1. If you put it in there correct, one of the first things that will pop up is its polynomial division. At least I thought it would. Okay, yes, here it is. So, x to the fourth plus 3x squared plus 8x squared plus 21x plus 51. Okay, we got that. And now 2 times 66 is 132x, right? And minus 46. Okay, cool. We got it right. So I hope that one helps you out. That's a tough one. If you can work through that one, you will be totally fine with anything that you encounter on a test. Alright? Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next video.